Guys, yeah, maybe about 20 minutes more. And we are going to try to give ourselves maybe a midday rest. Maybe, because yeah, like as soon as I ate that sausage, of course, burping becomes, you know, unavoidable. Because you got garlic, like most Polish sausage has a little garlic in it, and you know, and I'm definitely tasting a little garlic in there, so right away it'll make you burp and keep the vampires away. But yeah, in about 18 minutes, guys, we're past the halfway mark. We only got 28 miles to go. 2 hours and 18 minutes. 4:46 is the current ETA, guys, so I'll give you an update there. This is pretty smooth sailing trail here. I'm not really feeling that side. Not really feeling that westernly now, so that's good. And yeah, like I guess we're getting close to probably a battery swap anyway, so whatever that's going to be in about 10 minutes, we'll pull over, because 310 is, I believe, when we did a battery swap. So in about 7 minutes will be 210 left in our ride. 2 hours and 10 minutes left in our ride. So I'm going to do a battery check, and hopefully we can then find a little bench or something and sit down on. Maybe 10-15 minutes. Grab a bite of Rita sausage. And a little water. To the more of an easterly way, so yeah, that's good. In about a mile, I believe, it's going to curve again to the east. And yeah, guys, we only got about a half hour of the peak warmth of the day. So I did have my green beer pajamas ready at the very top. I packed them at the very top because I'm thinking, you know what, if it's just for the last like hour and a half, those are really nice and baggy, so I could just slip those on. That way I'm not cold in my feet or my legs. Oh, caught a stick in the old tire. So it's taking me on the trail around, but if I get on the old Route 66, on the actual road there, I'll be able to save myself a few minutes. So let's see. we're able to do that at all. So I believe we can we're in a small town called Hamel 66 Dog Park. Hamed. Sounds very Polish. Village of Hamed. Yeah, see, the trail ends right here. And it would have actually taken me out there through those neighborhoods. Just like, remember guys, we were going up Highway 7 or County Line 17 through Georgia and South Carolina. Remember, it kept taking me on these side routes. And I know that way we saved ourselves like 30-40 minutes, you know, from our ride. I mean, guys. So yeah. Lesson, of course, well learned. That don't always follow Google. Right there, guys. We're gonna do a stop. Village of Hamel. Certainly. And look, they got like a bar, maybe another bar or restaurant. There we go, just one